Hi, I'm Manasa. I'm your computer science tutor. Welcome to my channel. It's okay, you didn't enter the wrong video. It's just that today we're going to be talking about the types of programming languages and the types of translators. Not the translators in American Sign Language, but the translators in programming. Alright, so we already know that there's two types of programming languages: higher level programming languages and lower level programming languages. And there's different types of high and low level languages. Okay, so there's two types of low level languages that you need to know: machine code and assembly language. Machine code is basically binary code which contains ones and zeros, and they represent on and off. And they can be understood by the machine or CPU without the need of a translator. However, it would take a long time to input instructions. For example, if I want to tell it to subscribe to my channel, I would have to input 010100000011.
One eternity later.
110110. Now, the second type of low-level programming language is the assembly language. Assembly language is close to machine code, except it utilizes symbolic instructions, which are then converted into binary code via the assembler. Alright, now for the high-level programming languages. Let's take a look at them. Okay, so there's three types of higher-level programming languages: procedural, non-procedural, and object-oriented. Procedural languages are used to execute sequences of statements which lead to a result. Typically, it includes a lot of variables, loops, and conditional statements. Examples of procedural programming languages are C, Fortran, COBOL, Pascal, and ATA. Now, with the non-procedural programming languages, the user or programmer writes English-like instructions to retrieve data from databases. These languages are pretty easy compared to the non-procedural ones. Some of these languages are SQL and RPG. And finally, the object-oriented programming languages. These languages have the world as a group of objects that have internal data and external accessing parts of that data. Some of the most important topics of object-oriented programming languages is encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance, which we'll talk about in later videos. Some examples of object-oriented programming languages are C++, C#, Python, and Java. Now let's talk about the two major types of translators: a compiler and an interpreter. A compiler is like a person who's translating a document with instructions, while an interpreter is a person who's translating the instruction that a person is saying one sentence at a time. A compiler translates an entire program at a time into machine code, which tells the machine what to do, and it is at the end of the program that you understand the errors. An interpreter translates one command at a time and shows the user the error immediately. The compiler also takes up more memory since the object code is generated, while the interpreter takes up less space. Thank you very much for joining me today, y'all. Please do make sure to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. And if you have any suggestions for me, please let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video.